विराट कोहली ने टी20 वर्ल्ड कप जीतने के बाद रिटायरमेंट का ऐलान कर दिया और विराट कोहली ने विनिंग नोट पर टी20 वर्ल्ड कप से ऐलान या फिर कहा जाए तो अलविदा कह दिया है। इसके साथ ही विराट के जो कोच हैं राजकुमार शर्मा, उनका एक इंटरव्यू आया और उस इंटरव्यू में उन्होंने बताया किस तरीके से विराट कोहली ने टीम इंडिया के लिए अपना योगदान दिया है। चलिए देखते हैं राजकुमार शर्मा ने क्या कहा।
The whole nation, I would say, I want to congratulate the whole nation for this tremendous victory.
With this victory, Virat Kohli has an amen from T20, sir. So what do you say about this? What is the reason behind it, sir?
A reason behind is like he's been doing this service for so long. He has done so well for the country, and he felt that this is a time for the youngsters to take this responsibility. Though he would be playing in other two formats, and I can tell you he has got a lot of cricket in him, and I'm sure he'll play for another 3-4 years.
You are his coach, and do you like to share any memories when you train him?
I've got a lot of memories, He was not even 10 when he came to me, Since then, we have been together every day, like before any match and after any match, we talk and we discuss what the better we can do, and we celebrate his, success, and we have shared his, failures also. So it's been a long journey, and we have really enjoyed that journey, and I think I'm proud that what he has done for the country and for himself.
And what would you like to about this match and all the players?
Well, everybody played their part. It was a very good team effort that India won, and Virat played a tremendous inning, and he kept his best for the finals. And the way he batted was brilliant because India needed his batting, and he took the responsibility and used his, experience to become man of the match and to play such a crucial knock.
Okay. And you have been contributed a lot of progress. So what is this correct time to the retirement in?
It is always hurting, that and what I'm, facing from the fans, his fans also, everybody is asking me why he's leaving. He should have played for so many, at least couple of more years. But, it is his decision, and it's a great decision that he is leaving on a high, where he won the World Cup, Indian team has won the World Cup, and he's man of the match of the finals. So he is leaving on the high and giving chance to the next generation, to the youngsters. So I really appreciate and back his decision.
Did you congratulate him, and what he said?
Yeah, after the match only we speak to each other, and he was very excited. He was very happy about winning the World Cup, and I appreciated his decision that you are leaving on a high and you are setting an example in Indian cricket.
तो ये राजकुमार शर्मा ने कहा, और उनकी अगर बात की जाए तो उन्होंने विराट कोहली की तारीफ करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि भारतीय टीम के लिए विराट कोहली ने काफ़ी अच्छा योगदान दिया है, और अब विराट कोहली को लगता है कि यंगस्टर्स को टाइम देने का मौका आ गया है। तो विराट कोहली ने इस वजह से रिटायरमेंट का ऐलान दिया है, और इसी के साथ विराट कोहली जो हैं अब यंगस्टर्स को मौका दे रहे हैं, और यंगस्टर्स अब टी20 की बागडोर संभालते हुए दिखाई देंगे, और इंडियन टीम की जो टी20 फॉर्मेट है उसमें यंगस्टर्स खेलते हुए दिखाई देंगे, जिसमें यशस्वी जायसवाल हैं, इसके अलावा शुभमन गिल हैं। ये तमाम खिलाड़ी हैं, ये एक नई जनरेशन है जो कि विराट कोहली की जगह लेते हुए दिखाई देगी। स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़ी तमाम खबरों के लिए वन इंडिया हिंदी के साथ बने।